This presentation assumes that as an ICRE prospect, you would welcome at least a 10% increase in new business without interfering with your existing business or practice. Be reassured you will benefit more by getting net credit dollars instead of getting zero for your open time slots, empty seats, or vacant space. Net credit dollars are ICRE's currency used to exchange goods and services both inside and outside of the group. These slides are designed to help business owners understand what motivates our ICRE members to do business with each other and how you as a seller and a buyer benefit. Thank you. Your referral is the greatest testament our business could ever receive. ICRE provides new extra business without you having to offer discounts. Remember, ICRE customers probably don't know you or your company and may have never even been acquainted with you. ICRE members can buy from each other for just the variable cost of the purchase, below retail or wholesale. You pay the markup with your zero acquisition cost net credit dollars. Variable cost is the cash outlay for doing additional business. Why would a seller sell at cost and take the markup in credit dollars? Sellers realize the exchange provides new extra business and more net profit. You get the net profit in credit dollars rather than getting no extra work and receiving zero for your unsold potential. There is no U.S. currency tied up in your net credit dollars. Using credit dollars in place of cash lets you keep more of your hard-earned money. Buyers are able to purchase goods and services at the cash cost, the variable cost, and pay the difference using their zero acquisition cost net credit dollars. Zero acquisition cost? Most companies don't increase their fixed cost with a small increase in new business. You always collect the variable costs for each new job. There is no cash tied up in your credit dollars. Most of the ICRE members will convert your credit dollars into cash, dollar for dollar, through our enhanced networking referral group whenever you refer a cash customer to a fellow networking member. Assume ICRE member number 1 refers a cash job to a second member number 2. Member number 2 pays out of the job proceeds 80% of their credit dollar percentage to the referring member number 1 in cash. In exchange, ICRE member number 1 gives member number 2 an equal amount of their credit dollars for the cash they received from member number 2. Credit dollar percentage? For example, a restaurant's variable cost is food and sales tax, which is around 30%. Therefore, their credit dollar percentage is 70%. A good example of cash conversion is on the next slide. When a restaurant does catering, their credit dollar percentage is usually 50%. Member number 1 refers a cash catering job to member number 2 worth $2,000. Member number 2's credit dollar percentage is 50%. 80% of 50% equals 40%. Therefore, member number 2 pays member number 1 $800 in cash in exchange for $800 in credit dollars from member number 1. The benefit to member number 1 is he helped member number 2 get a cash transaction, and member number 1 traded $800 worth of his credit dollars for $800 cash. The benefit to member number 2 is he got additional business valued at $2,000. He collected all of his project costs, kept an extra $200 for his work, and has $800 in credit dollars to use when making purchases, paying bills at cost, or cash converting his own credits. This is a membership benefit like no other. See presentation 3 of 3 video.